Okie dokie. So today I'm going to show you the tax system on Stripe billing. So when you are charging subscriptions to your users, you may need to charge them tax. And the way that we do this is through the Stripe tax rates. So if you head over to your Stripe dashboard and go to product and then tax rates here on the left, you'll see that you can create new taxes. You can choose what kind of tax it is. You can select the region that tax should apply to, and the tax rate, and whether it's inclusive or exclusive. And then you just can give some sort of small description here. Now, you can see I've already created a few different taxes here. I've put a UK tax of 20% that only applies to the UK. Then I've created a tax specifically for Arizona in the US, and a tax also for Alaska. And that's again just specifically for those areas. So now what's going to happen is that when I subscribe to something, it's going to, first of all, if it doesn't know my customer's location, it's just going to use my local IP address. I'm currently in Greece, so it's going to use that to guess what my current address is. But I can change that to whatever I want. So let's change that to the UK. And now you can see the 20% VAT has been applied. And then let's change it to the US. And it's telling me here, okay, to figure out which tax to charge, because every different state can have its own tax, fill in a state. So I'm going to select, let's say, Arkansas. Okay, nothing. That's because I don't have any state set here for tax for Arkansas. But now if I change it to Alaska, what it should apply is a 10% tax. Let's have a look if that works. There we go, 10% of the rate is 10 pence. And now let's change it to Arizona, which should be 50%. And that is 50%. So in other words, to charge taxes on your subscriptions, you need to fill in all the different tax rates for all the different regions you're selling into. And then Stripe will automatically apply those taxes based on the billing address. And we will try and tell Stripe where your billing address is based on your IP address, which is the city and the country. And if it doesn't know that, then you can type it in yourself. And if it runs into some problems, it will, in the worst case scenario, not charge tax on that particular invoice, but whichever address you put in as your billing address, it will save that address to the customer subscriber on Stripe, and then in the next invoice, the correct tax will be applied on that particular invoice. But the default system should work fine. That's just a fallback. Okay, so that's how it works, and any questions, just get in touch.